Welcome to Heasie and Vest. Today we're looking at the VIPARSPECTRA v300 LED grow light, which I'll be using in my veg tent along with another 300 water. Now this will be my third VIPARSPECTRA light. I have the 400 water currently in flower, and I've ordered a 600 which will go into the flower tent as well. I've had great success with these. I would recommend these lights to anyone on a budget. Let's go ahead and take a look at what comes in the box. One hanging kit, which will clip into your four corners of the light. One 6-foot power cord. I find 8 feet to be the sweet spot. Plug her in right there. This is full spectrum, meaning it can be used for the veg and flower cycles. Now it's gonna draw about 136 watts from your wall and basically replaces a 250 watt HPS or metal haloid. Best used in a 2-foot by 2-foot area. Let's go ahead and get this baby plugged in.
Wait. Where's the plug? Oh, okay. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Here we go.
Now you could definitely take a couple small plants through their entire life cycle with this one light. That being said, I would recommend it as a complimentary light, as you do need much more power if you're looking to do some damage in your grow tent.
Heasie and Vest for that ass. Damn, she's a sexy lady.
Currently in transition of replacing most of my HPS lights with LEDs due to the summer heat, which has been killing me right now. These bad boys deliver a lifespan of 100,000 hours, and I intend to use every goddamn second.
Let's go.
Heasie and Vest channel.
No. Yo. Here we are. Hey.